Hello, my name is Gabriel from GAPAC USA. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a TV. This TV, the brand is Philips. In this case, the problem is the inverter. So what is the inverter? The inverter is the device that provides energy to the tube lights. As you know, or you may not know, but the TVs has like a little tubes in the LCD, so that way you will see the image. Otherwise, you're not going to see it. Depend of the brand and the model, the light might be on the superior part or on the sides or on the bottom. So I'll show you. Let's say that we have the TV here, and then the backlight might be here, the little tubes, or here, or in the top, on the bottom, or on the sides. So when there is some problem, you will see that the TV may turn on and you will see the light here, the little light, you know, but you're not going to see any image. Maybe you will hear the sound of the TV, but no image. It is the same thing like when you have a cell phone that is going to dim the image and you to save energy. So it might happen the same thing with the TV, or it will not turn on at all. So in this case, I'll show you how to change the inverter. So in this case, we are going to open the TV, we are going to fix it, and I'll show you how to identify the problem. So let's begin with the video.
In this case, we have this TV. The brand is Philips. So the customer bring it to us, and this TV doesn't turn on at all. So we are going to check it out. We are going to flip it over, and then we are going to remove all the screws that we have here, and then we are going to take a look at inside. So we are going to see what's wrong with it. In this case, I have removed the screws already, so that way we can do it faster for this video. So we're going to remove the cover. So now we can see here we have the TV turner here, we have the input of VGA input, and we have another input over here. So we're going to remove few screws to get to the inverter, because usually when the TV doesn't turn on, that is the problem. So we are going to remove a few screws, and we are going to go ahead with the repair. Depending on the TV, the screwdriver that you're going to need might change. This is like a star screwdriver. So here we have another one, so we're going to be removing all of those. Okay, we have removed all the screws that keep the metal attached to the TV, to the front of the TV. So we are going to unplug this cable so we can remove it. Okay, now we can lift it up a little bit. Now we are going to see closely this inverter car. So we're going to do a zoom in. Well, as you can see here, it's all burnt, so we are going to have to change the inverter, and we are going to replace it by a new one. In this case, it's very obvious that we have this issue here, but in some cases you may see this, that everything looks okay. But what you can check is this. This is a fuse, it's a little fuse. Sometimes this fuse is burned out, and maybe you can replace it and the TV will work again. But there might be another issue when this thing happens, so you may have to check the other parts of the TV. So in this case, like we know here that we have this problem, as you can see here is burnt here too. We're going to replace the whole card, and we have this one that's brand new, as you can see. So we are going to remove the screws, and we have to remove these connectors here too. These connectors, as you see here, powers up the screen, so that is its function. And we have to remove one more screw here. Now we put it back, the card, we plug back everything like it was before. Okay, great. Once we have finished this, we can put everything like it was before. You have to connect everything like the connector here. The other one is pretty simple, no more than that. And I forgot to remove the cable from here. Now you have here the click, so that means that it's okay. And after that we have to put the other screw that we have removed. Well, after that we have to put the black one here. Okay, now we are going to put the cover back as it was before. We are going to flip it over so we can test the TV. Now that we have connected the power, we are going to connect the TV too, so we can test it. Well, as you can see, the TV works fine, so I'm going to remove the cable so you can see. So the job is done, that's it for now.